Neapolitan Zeppole are tasty pastries filled with custard cream and topped with amarena cherries and powdered sugar. My friend from Naples shared his family's recipe with me when we made them together at his pastry shop. They're a must-try heavenly treat you don't want to miss. Let's get started. First, we need to prepare the custard and let it cool completely. In a saucepan, whisk together all-purpose flour and sugar. Add the egg yolks and vanilla extract and mix well. Gradually whisk in milk until fully incorporated into the egg mixture. Heat over medium heat, stirring constantly until the custard thickens. Transfer the custard into a bowl, cover it with cling film and allow it to cool completely. Now let's prepare the choux pastry. Bring water, butter and salt to a boil over high heat in a saucepan. Once the butter has melted, add all-purpose flour all at once. Reduce the heat and stir vigorously until the mixture forms a ball that pulls away from the sides of the pan. Transfer the dough to a stand mixer or a large bowl for kneading by hand. Add the eggs one or two at a time and continue kneading, allowing each addition of eggs to fully incorporate before adding more. The choux pastry is ready when all the eggs have been incorporated and the dough is smooth and glossy. Transfer the choux pastry to a piping bag and pipe donuts with a diameter of approximately 12 centimeters onto a baking sheet. Bake at 190 degrees for about 35 minutes in a ventilated oven, or 200 degrees in a static oven with a very small opening of the door. When zeppole are puffed up and golden, remove them from the oven and let them cool completely before filling them with the cream. Stir the cooled custard to smooth it out, then transfer it to a piping bag and fill the cooled zeppole with the custard. Garnish with amarena cherries and powdered sugar and your Neapolitan Zeppole are ready. Enjoy!